a haul video on my latest order from the Lando Norris official store. This is probably the biggest order I've done from there, so yeah, it arrived this morning and just got home from work, so I apologise for how I look, but we'll get on with it anyway. So here it is. This got delivered so quickly, like legitimately it took sorry, trying to get that light in right. It took like 2 days for it to arrive, which is crazy, but let's get it open. I'm so excited. So I ordered essentially all of the accessories and then one clothing item. So first thing I ordered is the Lando Academy bottle. There's only one bottle that I hadn't bought, and I kind of wish that I had bought it, but I do really like this one. Lando Academy. It is like a bottle green kind of colour with a white lid. Really pretty. I like that a lot. Then I got the pins, LN4 Academy pins. So these have, like, it says Lando Norris, and then LN4. So this is kind of, this one here is like what's on his helmet, I believe. Then that says Lando and then Norris across it. And that's like a flag that says LN4. It says on there, welcome to the LN4 Academy, originating from the United Kingdom, established 2019. Jeez. But yeah, cute little pins like those. What else is in here? I don't want to get the big thing out first. Okay, I got the hat, the bobble hat. I'm a sucker for the bobble hats. I think bobble hats suit me better than caps, so if there's a bobble hat going, I will probably always buy it. But this is what it looks like. LN4. It says Lando on the front and Norris on the back. Shall we try it on? So, yeah, probably won't have my hair by my ears, but yeah. There we go. That is the Lando Norris bobble hats. Really cute. That's embroidered as well, which is nice to see. Nice. Probably will wear that to the next Steelers game. And then I think I should have something else in here. Okay, here they are. So these are the stickers. This is Sticker Pack Volume 2. I already have the Volume 1. They were like the fruity kind of ones. So let's have a look at these ones. So we got the Lando, LN4 Academy 24, the flag, the LN4 flag. Ooh, we got a rather nice holographic rainbowy kind of LN. We got some shiny checkered flags, and then this one is like a 4-leaf clover, but it is a little bit shiny. Okay, this is the big one. I got the varsity jacket. Oh my god. Oh god. I was like, I'm going to order it. If I don't like it, I can send it back. But we'll see. Oh, wow. So the sleeves are like faux leather. They have checkered flags, the Lando thing on here, but it's kind of like toweling kind of fabric. And Lando there. And then on the back, it says LN4 Academy. Love it. Oh my god. and then it's quite padded inside as well. It's got quilting. So on the front, it's got the 4, and then it's got the Welcome to the LN4 Academy thing again. Essentially these are just all the stickers, I think, and then that's a new one, and then the LN on there. It's pretty, but am I going to keep it? I don't know. I love it though. We'll try it on and we will make a decision from there, I guess. But yeah, that's my little Lando Norris haul for today. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.